This is the unboxing of the Hogs Axis 200. See, it comes with directions, ages 8 and up, learn to fly, apprehends a pilot. I'm going to go ahead and open it. Let's see. Should get this. That's the RC helicopter. Should be charged. See that light blinking? When the light blinks, it means it's charged. Okay. This. It's the controller. You go up, side, side. That's to stop it from spinning in case it starts spinning out of control. And this is how you turn it left and right. Keep this up and down. See? Well, that didn't work too well, but we'll test some more out later. What else does it come with? Extra parts, extra pieces, and it comes with the customer service hotline right down there. And if anything breaks on there, they will actually replace it and send you a brand new one. All you have to do is call that number. This has been a unboxing of the Axis 200. Please subscribe for some more.